Hello and welcome. This is Swati Singh from Jagran English. So today we have with us Shobhi Joshi, who is an ex-Splitsvilla 15 contestant. Unfortunately, she got evicted in the show in the last dome. So, hi Shobhi.
Hi guys.
Reflecting on your time in MTV Splitsvilla 15, how was your overall experience in the show?
Overall, I think my experience was literally a roller coaster ride because in the beginning of the journey, it was very emotional. The journey was very emotional for me, and धीरे धीरे थोड़ी सी toxic भी हो गई थी because of course my bonds were from the reality, and this time it was more about exes and the bonds which were already there before entering the show. So for that matter, थोड़ी emotional journey थी, but towards the end of it, I totally enjoyed and I loved the experience. I think I made great friends, and I'm very happy about the journey.
Okay. So your fans have said that you were too good for the show, and the platform was not good enough for you. So do you believe in their sentiments? Like, do you think they are right?
I'm very grateful that they feel that way for me. I feel, see, of course, no one is ever too good for the show. I think that's a great compliment. And I have a lot of gratitude कि उन लोग ने ये चीज बोली है मेरे लिए. And I know that they say that because even when people meet me in real, they say the same thing. You were too good for Splitsvilla. But I feel just the situation that I entered in, because of the things that happened, the experience became a little tough. And because of that, थोड़ा सा emotional baggage ज़्यादा हो गया था. But I just tried to be as good as I could be. I just believe in being your real self and being a good person above everything that comes your way. So if they say that, I'm very glad. But also, like, I think everyone was good for the show.
Yeah. So unfortunately, your dynamics with Harsh and Roshali, they're not very good. And uh, did they apologize to you after the show or not?
See, apology क्या होती है? Apology is something when you realize that you have done something wrong, and then you come to a point कि I'm not gonna do anything further. कि अब ये गलती कर दी, आगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं करें, ठीक है? So they did apologize to me. Even in the show, they apologized, but that wasn't an apology that you can consider. Because क्या होता है, आप किसी को गोली मार के फिर ये नहीं बोल सकते कि यार इट्स ओके यार माफ कर दे वाली चीज. आपके बाद के एक्शंस दिखाते हैं कि हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक अप फॉर इट. सो आफ्टर द शो आल्सो 3 months तक दे डिड नॉट apologize to me. After 3 months, one fine day, because Harsh used to stay in our house, so those 3 months were also very toxic for me after the show वाले. And then 3 months के बाद when they apologized, I was just like, अब क्या मतलब? I was like, I still was very happy that at least उनको लगा कि we should apologize. बट उसके बाद फिर सेम चीजें, उसके बाद ब्रॉडकास्ट में चीजें आई, पॉडकास्ट में फेक एलिगेशंस लगे. इवन टिल यस्टरडे आई थिंक कुछ कुछ फेक एलिगेशंस लग ही रहे थे. तो आई एम जस्ट लाइक कि जब वो सॉरी के बाद भी चीजें बढ़ती जा रही है, होती जा रही है, तो हाउ कैन इवन आई फॉरगिव समवन? So
Yeah.
that's what, yeah. They did apologize, but I never felt that it was an apology from heart. From Harsh's side, I still felt that, yeah, he actually felt that what he did was wrong and he apologized. But from
Okay.
Rishali's side, I've not received an apology that I can count on.
Yeah. So, do you believe that Harsh and Roshali's relationship is genuine, or it was just a strategic move for the show?
See, I, as much as I don't want to drag that topic further, the thing is, I love it that I really want them to be together because इन दोनों के रिलेशनशिप के लिए काफी दिल टूटे हैं, काफी दिल टूटे हैं. मेरा एंड देन मेरा एक जो फ्रेंड था रुशाली का एक्स, सबके दिल टूटे हैं. So I don't know how genuine it is because I've not really hanged out with them a lot after the show. In fact, hangout भी हुआ है तो हर्ष के साथ ही हुआ है. That also because of another show that we did. It wasn't because
Okay.
of anything that came from their side. So I really hope that it's a genuine relation and it continues forever because it better be worth the mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, apart from Harsh and Roshali, whose connection do you think is fake, or whose is real in the house, in the villa?
Whose is real? पता है, one thing I would be very honest about. I think reality show में relations and equations दोनों episode के according change होती है. बिकॉज आप कितना भी चाहो कि आप अवॉइड कर दो, बट जब वीडीज में चीजें आप लोग के लिए बोली जाती है ना, तो कई बार वो रिलेशनशिप्स टूटती है, कई बार और स्ट्रांग होती है. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई बहुत ज्यादा रियल हमारे में, जो टीवी में आने के बाद जो कपल बने उनमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा रियल था. आई फील जो मोस्ट रियल कपल था वो थी जो एक्सेस से बना है. दैट इज अनिकेत डिकेला, दैट इज दिव्यांश एंड देवांगिनी.
Yeah.
New couples में I think Adit Khanna are the only people who I feel are really genuinely in love.
Okay. So, is there a particular contestant from the show, from Splitsvilla 15, of course, that you would not like to meet or encounter?
That's going to be, it's a tough question for me. I mean, no matter how much I smile and say that we are past everything, I think वो थोड़ी सी बोलते हैं ना गिठाने रह जाती है, वो रह गई है रुशाली एंड हर्ष के साथ. सो हर्ष के साथ तो तब भी चीजें ठीक हुई है. ही स्टिल ग्रीट्स मी व्हेनेवर वी क्रॉस पाथ्स. बट आई थिंक नॉट मीट वाला तो नहीं. आई थिंक आई वुड वांट थिंग्स टू गेट बेटर विद रुशाली. नॉट मीटिंग वाला तो आई डोंट थिंक ऐसे कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं. आई थिंक इट्स ओके, वी आर ऑल मैच्योर पीपल, सो अंटिल वी टॉक वंस द शो एंड्स एंड एवरीथिंग सॉर्टेड, थिंग्स विल बी फाइन. सो आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कोई है.
Okay. So, in your opinion, who is the most deserving contestant from Splitsvilla 15?
Yeah, so even in the show and after the show, my answer will be same about that. uh, I have a huge respect for Digvijay Rathi because of the way he stood up for himself, because of his decisions, and
Okay.
because of him in general, the kind of person he is. So if it is about one contestant, that will be Digvijay for me.
Okay. So, thank you, Shobhi, for talking with us, and all the best for your future endeavors. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.